Hey there, welcome to even my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to play around the Debutify theme admin panel or dashboard. So recently I have published an short video in my Facebook page, also in my YouTube channel. That is, I have partnered with the Debutify theme, and that's why I'm going to play around with the Debutify theme dashboard or admin panel. So if you are very beginner with the Debutify theme, or if you wanted to know about a best Shopify theme, or you want to make a high converting Shopify online store by yourself without any coding skill, without any previous experience, then you can follow this video, because here I am going to do everything as beginner, as a very beginner, like without any technical skill. So this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So you see that I have logged in my Debutify theme admin panel, and first I have to connect with my Shopify online store that I have created on my Shopify partner account. You see, Faisal Debutify, here is the store. I just connect it. It's super easy. If you have just created your account with the Debutify theme, then you can do it very easily. You have to just add your store URL that will be automatically connected with your Debutify account. Okay, so if you don't have created your account still now in Debutify, then you can check out the description of this video. You will get the link to start journey with Debutify theme. Okay, so you see, when I have created my first account and I connected my Shopify online store, then here is the quick start guide that I have to complete. So first of all, I have to download the Debutify theme, enable your first widget, and install custom app. Then we can start your free 30-day Debutify review trial. So we are going to do one by one. Here is standard widget, premium widget, and platinum widget. So first of all, we are going to download the Debutify theme. So you are going to learn how to download the Debutify theme from Debutify website or company, and then we learn how to enable your first widget and install custom app, and finally start with the Debutify review. So I'm going to start with first one, download the Debutify theme. So click on it, then you can see that get the theme. Okay, so click on the get the theme. I click on the get the theme, then save. The theme has been downloaded. You see, here is the latest version of the Debutify theme. Then go back my Shopify admin panel, and you see right now I am on the online store, then themes, and I'm going to click on the add themes, click on the upload zip file, then drag and drop this file. So easy and simple. So I'm going to do another things, just cart, create a new folder, okay, keep it on here, unzip, extract here, and you see, okay, so we're going to select the theme. We can directly drag and drop on here, so easy. Click on the upload. Okay, the Debutify theme uploading right now, so easy and simple. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit time to complete the installing theme. It will take a little bit more time to complete. Wow, just added our Debutify theme added just now. So click on the publish, okay, and go back Debutify admin panel or dashboard. our account. Click to confirm the theme is installed. Click on here. So I have clicked in. So click on it. Okay. Then enable first widget. We have to enable first widget. So go back my Shopify admin panel and check out our current website after install the Debutify theme. Wow, looks good. We have added. Wow, super cool. That's called premium means premium. Okay, then click on the enable first widget. We have done this one, step 1 in 4. Then enable your first widget. Click on here, select from our 68 widget. So click on the enable. Okay, so we are going to enable wall widget. Okay, I am the platinum members, so click on the card discount, enable card goal. Okay, then color choice. Okay, so we have to enable the required widget based on our requirement. So I'm going to skip this section to save your time. Okay, so scroll down again, nothing more in here. Okay, click on the go back. Let me complete other widget also. Enable it, then delivery time, discount save it. Okay, Facebook Messenger, FAQ. Okay, and now go back home, and you see we have completed task 4. Enable your first widget, then click on the install custom app. So we have to install the custom app. How we can do this? Learn how to create custom app into this video. Enter the token. Okay, from your admin panel setting, app sales develop app, allow custom app development, read the warning, development. Okay, so before you can create custom app on this, you need to active custom app. You need to be store owner and stop enable permission. Okay, so we are going to apps and sales section. Then develop app, allow custom app development. You are about to allow custom app development on any store. Okay, allow custom app development. Then what we have to do? Okay, then create first app name. I'm going to add app name Debutify test app. Debutify test app. Okay, create app. So simple, app has been created. Debutify test app, you see. Okay, then click on the next. Okay, app development, click custom app. Okay, we have done. Select API, admin API scope, click on the scope, click on the configuration, configure API scope. Okay, here is the configure API scope. Select all the API scope, click save, select all. We have to select all, so we're going to select all. Just going to do following the guideline of the Debutify theme. Okay, okay, going to select everything on here. We are so close. Very close. Okay, and finally we are almost done. Okay, then finally click on the save. Actually, we are going to create a custom app and setting up it. Okay, next, then install API access token, API access token, install app. So click on the install. API access token, copy it, then app key, secret app key, this one will be API access token, and it will be API access token, API access token. Yes, okay, we got it. Yeah, we did it. Now verify. Wow, verified. You see, we completed it following the guidelines. So click on the complete. That's mean we have created custom app on our store. Okay, so go back, and that's mean we have completed step 3. Then start your free 30-day Debutify review trial. We actually no need it right now. Okay, so we can mark it as completed. Okay, so here is all. Okay, that's all. We're going to skip this one. Start your free 30-day Debutify review trial. Okay, and here is the others option. For example, Debutify API template library. We can select template from here. For example, if you want to create a footwear or baby and kid shop, then we can select template from here. Next here, wow, we can easily download Debutify or baby and kids shop. We can also check out the demo. Super easy. It's really super easy to make any website with Debutify theme. Looks here. Looks super easy and cool. I'm so excited because I'm going to record a lot of video tutorials relevant Debutify theme. Also here is the custom app development section, widget, all widget. Looks here, shopping cart maximum, a lot of things, theme settings, for example backup, then other things, yeah, monitoring, partner portal, a lot of things. Here is that's all, and I hope you understand the basic about the your Debutify account, how you can start your first step with Debutify, how to especially how to download the theme, enable your first widget and install custom app. Also you can setting up your account from here, update anything based on your requirement. That's all for now, and in the next tutorials I'm going to start making new Shopify online store with Debutify theme. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.